Hi, I'm Kjell-Olov, and this is an Einhell 2025 table saw. I made a lot of episodes about this, and now it's time to assemble the sled for this table. So I have a design, a very simple design, and I'm going to glue that together now. So let's see how it goes. I'm actually going for a very simple design. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these rods that I just recently cut up, and they are going to be the ones sliding in the miter slots. And then I'm going to glue that to a scrap board I have. So I'm not going to do anything fancy. I'm just going to use this one and glue the rods underneath here so that this whole board here can act as a sledge. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to take two of the ones that didn't quite cut it. They go too deep, they are too thin. But I'm going to place them there and then place the ones I want to use on top. And they will now stay in the slot and they will be above the table. So now I can put glue on here and hopefully I can now glue the board on here without getting glue on the saw table. Let's see how long I need glue. So I'm going to go. I actually, as you can see, this is really a scrap board. I don't want to glue here, so I want to place the board something like this. So it seems that I can put it flush to the table saw table here, and that would be okay. Yeah. Okay, so let's put a marking here. I want to put glue thus. Oh, it drives me crazy. Got it out. Finally. Distance here all the way. Seems to work just nicely. So let's put some weight on here. Okay, there you have it. Now we only have to wait for the glue to dry and see how it turns out. Hi, so it's the next day. The glue has dried. And I'm excited to see how this sledge turned out. Will the railings here be straight so that it will slide good enough on this table saw table? So let's find out. As you can see, I actually put my tool drawer on top here. It's much heavier, so that has been the weight on this table while it has glued overnight here. So now it's time to lift all this stuff away. I also added these clamps yesterday. So let's remove them. And now the moment of excitement. Yeah, I think the gluing succeeded reasonably well. Are these now placed so that they run smoothly in the miter slots of the table saw? So let's find out. The moment of truth. Whoa, it fits like that. That's actually much better than I expected. I suppose it's a pure of beginner's luck or something that it's no play. It's actually zero play. So I call that a success. Okay, there you have it. That's all for now. And I'm now going away skiing over the weekend. So hopefully I will come back with everything still attached to my body. And I'm looking forward to come back and start using my table saw sledge. But for this time, thank you for watching and see you next time.
If you like my videos, feel free to do nothing.
Just grab a cup of coffee
and enjoy.